shit I really shouldn't do for real. That's why I always say come through for real. After this time I'll be through for real. Even I know you ain't no good for me, but you feel so good to me. Every time I come back I try to leave. So how you end up back with me? Oh, this ain't what I want, this is something else. Something that ain't good for my health. And I've been searching but I can't get no help. And I don't feel like myself. Oh, I be doing shit I really shouldn't do for real. That's why I always say come through for real. After this time I'll be through for real. After this time I'll be through for real. I be doing shit I really shouldn't do for real. That's why I always say come through for real. After this time I'll be through for real. After this time I'll be through for real. I can feel them walls closing. I can feel it all. I'm stuck in your claws. Try to run but I don't get far. I'ma put some blame on me, tryna take accountability, but you take all my ability. You're the death in me and a remedy. I be doing too much. I be doing shit I really shouldn't do for real. That's why I always say come through for real. After this time I'll be through for real. After this time I'll be through for real. I be doing shit I really shouldn't do for real. That's why I always say come through for real. Baby, where you at? After this time I'll be through for real. Bring me that. After this time I'll be through for real.
Say my name, no one is around.